racing just started with S. 26, break quickly to start. Aramis, next on line is Precious Metal, running by the rail is Henry the 8. Merlot comes next, then followed by Euromax. Don Alejandro second last, while Mika's Prende is the early trailer when going along for the first turn with S. 26 by about 3 lengths, moving upon a young sign. Precious Metal, running by the rail is Henry the 8. In the middle portion comes Aramis. Don Alejandro comes next, Euromax, Merlot, while Mika's Friend is still running at the tail of the field. Down the backstretch they travel with S. 26 maintaining a 4 lengths lead, and in second comes Henry the 8, and on the outside comes Precious Metal. Next on line is Aramis, Euromax, Don Alejandro is by the rail, Merlot, while Mika's Friend is still running at the tail of the field, and they are now entering the home stretch with S. 26 this time draws clear by about 5 lengths as they swing for home. S26 by about 6 lengths. Henry the 8 in second, running by the rail now is Don Alejandro with about 100 meters up the race. S26 still with double wrap, and nearing the finish line it's S26. Henry the 8, Don Alejandro, Precious Metal, Euromax.
So yun nga, no, S26, ang sinasabi natin palagi, did not disappoint its backers.
Inulit mo lang yung sinabi ko kanina kasi umalis ka eh. Bumili ka ng pulburon eh. Inulit mo eh. Sabi ko na nga, ginamit ko na nga yung paborito mong tagline eh. Anyway, meron nga tayong photo per second between Henry the 8 and Don Alejandro. Titingnan natin yung ating photo per second na yan, ha? Yan ang ating quarters.
1 sa Latuno naman?
Oo. Ha?
1 sa Latuno naman?
1 and 2 na naman, eh. Ang
baka
photo
sa
natin.
Palahawi, eh.
Oo, baka makayari na naman yun doon sa OTV. 13, 24 and a half, 24 at 26 and a half. 24 and a half din yung pangatlong quartos. Oo, you know.
No?
Nakadali ng 5-0 yun, eh. Yung mama kanina doon sa race 4.
Hindi ba pakita namin ng slow mo? Bilang ka ulit, ha? Ay, hindi natin mabibilang, eh. Kasi pangalaw mo, eh.
Hindi, pwede.
Pwede.